How to set up Zelle with Huntington Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to set up Zelle with the Huntington Bank so you can send and receive money fast. First off, you want to open up Huntington mobile application or continue on with the browser and click on the sign in button to log into your account. Go ahead and tap on it and enter your login credentials to simply log into your account. Now, once logged in, you can tap on the Pay section on your home screen. Doing that will allow you to find an option saying Send Money with Zelle. Next, you can review and accept the terms and conditions for using Zelle. And once that is done, what you can do next is you'll need to link your US mobile number or email to your Huntington account. This is how people will find you on Zelle. Once that's done, you can choose the Huntington account you want to use for sending or receiving money, and then tap on Continue to confirm your setup. And that's it. Now you're ready to use Zelle with Huntington Bank. You can send money to friends, split bills, or receive payments, usually within few minutes. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more banking tips. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.